International Yoga Day is organized throughout the world. And in Karnataka, we are in the forefront in organizing that program. And our program is not only on June 21st only, it's a one-year program. Every celebration still is going on. So on 21st of this month, we are having it in Vidhan Sabha on the grand step only. The governor and the chief minister and other ministers and dignitaries are there on the dais, and more than 3,000 yoga practitioners, performers, they come and take part. And this is a symbolic one we are doing. But in the entire district and entire taluk level, we are having a program on yoga day also, and we are continuing the programs. And we are giving more of the most important for the yoga also, because one of the preventive measures for the health is, for the disease, on preventive measure, yoga is one of the main important for each and everyone. So we'll give awareness, we'll see that every house will be known for yoga and they practice yoga and they'll be healthy in days to come.